Here is an example of multiple models in a scene. If I open up my Explorer here, I have my primary character, which is the knight, and directly underneath it I have two other models. The biped rig is where I do my primary animation. I also have a null rig to which the objects are attached, and this is where I can export to a game engine or to something like behavior. Both of these live underneath one other model, and this just makes it easy to export them as a single unit. I also have a light rig as well. This is to control and make it easy to set up for just my scene or my character. I also have another model, and this is for the face. It helps me separate and work on the animation mixer. So I have a model for just the face, so when I insert the animation, I have animation primarily just for that face, and I don't have to wade through a whole load of other animation which isn't relevant. In order to access these models, I can do it a number of ways. The first is, every time I make a model, I add it to a group of models I've created here. This makes it easy for me to actually just select the model, and if I hit F in my Explorer, I can see exactly where it lives. And also underneath here you can notice I have only nulls and not model nulls to separate it. The model nulls are only there for the critical areas. I can also access this through my filter inside the Explorer. So if I switch to models, there I can see all the models, and it tells me I have 5. So using models to separate key components of your setup, or in this case my character, helps pass the data backwards and forwards, import as well as export the objects, as well as storing the animation and reusing the animation. It also helps to swap out key components of your object, so I could actually go and get another head and very easily replace it inside my rig.